When I was at school, I did maths and physics and didn't quite know what I wanted to do with it, but engineering was a field with a lot of opportunities and lots of variation, so thought I'd go with it and see where it took me. I think a challenge that I faced was coming from an all-girls school into a male-dominated field meant that seeing people I didn't look like or wasn't like gave me a bit of imposter syndrome, but I've learned over the years that everyone has imposter syndrome, not just women in engineering, and that I've got the same degree as everyone else and the same skills and I could do it.
One thing that makes me really proud was when I finished my degree and I studied aerospace engineering, and for 3 years of really hard work, I remember getting my degree and graduating and thinking back to myself as a young person that just really was interested in planes and how that they work, and to sort of see where I was at then, and with my degree and the graduation, I was really proud of myself.
I think the skill that engineers will need the most in the next generation is willing to learn. Even engineers that have been in the field for decades are still having to relearn things all the time. The field is always changing and you have to be able to adapt to what it's going to do.
One thing that you might be surprised about my job is that I can kind of work from anywhere. So every week is different. Sometimes I might be in a factory looking at how something is made, which is really interesting. Sometimes I'm meeting customers, and sometimes I'm working from home so that I can walk the dog and work sort of from my home office, which is really good.
A moment that makes me feel proud is whenever anyone asks me what my job is and I get to say what it is, because it sounds impressive, it is impressive. I worked hard to get here and I deserve it. If I was to describe my job in one word, I think I would say rewarding. All of the day-to-day tasks I have are like little puzzles, and finishing them is like an engineer's dream, and every day is different.